Apple says, hey guys, okay, we live. All right, Apple says it has fixed a technical bug that caused its voice-to-text system to briefly replace the word racist with the word Trump.
Huh?
Yesterday, some iPhone users reported that when they spoke the word racist, the system typed Trump before quickly correcting to the word racist. The company said that the glitch, they called it a glitch, that the glitch was causing its dictation feature to incorrectly suggest Trump when users said words with R consonants.
It's interesting because, Tim Cook spent a lot of time at the White House. Apple has pledged to bring $500 billion into the manufacturing.
Into the U.S.
Into the United States. So that's going to be a very uncomfortable conversation the next time Tim Cook is with President Trump.
Absolutely, because can you, that's funny because I know I was using some dictation yesterday and I used the words respectful and righteous and resolute and reverend and not one of those came up as Trump. Anyway.
And I saw you text Brother Sam.
Right, and that didn't say Trump either. All right, now with the Oscars right around the corner, Halle Berry has shared that she's tired of standing alone in Oscars history. Now, February is Black History Month as well, and Halle Berry certainly made history back in 2002 when she became the first Black woman to win Best Lead Actress at the Academy Awards. Not more than 2 decades later, Berry, who won for her role in Monsters Ball, is still the only Black female performer to win an Oscar in that category. Now, while several Black actresses have won the Best Supporting Actress Oscar over the years, Wicked star Cynthia Erivo this year stands the chance to become the first performer since Berry to take home gold for a lead role. In fact, she is 1 Oscar short of an EGOT.
Ooh.
Right now, she's just got to get a Grammy, an Emmy, and a Tony. And, she is up against Fernanda Torres, Mikey Madison, Carla Sofia Gascon, who is the first openly trans actor to earn an Oscar nomination, and Demi Moore, who has recently become this year's awards show darling, winning the Golden Globe, Critics' Choice Award, and the SAG as lead actress.
I know Cynthia is performing, so sometimes they do that when they kind of I don't know. I don't want to say anything, but they know that person is going to win. They have them perform. So that she can sing. It would be beautiful to see history made again. At the same time, it really comes down to who these 300 different journalists, organizations feel should take that role. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
All right, mahalo, Lina girl, for that. Again, today is John Harvey Kellogg's birthday, the co-inventor of cornflakes and some other snacks. So here's how you solve my question. Which snack food is not made by Kellogg's? Is it Famous Amos cookies, Cheez-Its, Bugles, or Pringles?
I'm just so confused because none of these are cereals, but okay, let me...
well, you put Famous Amos in milk and boom.
Yeah, absolutely. I would not put Bugles in milk, so let's go for Bugles.
Bugles, all right, let's see.
Come on, let me be right. Yes!
You right, sister?
Ooh.
Absolutely right. If you knew the answer, you saw Akamai. Coming up next, we got some shakas and shout-outs.
Yeehaw!